So how does the market look in terms of valuation? These are price-earnings ratios, which we have found don't correlate well presently, might be coincidence rather than causation, correlate well presently to market performance this year. Valuations are in vogue, lower valuations are what the market's looking for, but the measure we found has been better has been price earnings growth, and we've marked in green the ones which have lower valuations. I will share with you in this space later, so follow me and look at the links in the bio, which are the energy stocks I own. But just to say, these are the ones which are doing better in terms of valuation, and which we think are more highly correlated to performance for the year ahead, and we're seeing evidence of that as well. It's the price earnings growth ratio. And you can see, interestingly, at Amazon, very low price earnings growth, and it's why it's been a favorite for quite a few of the brokers and hedge funds so far this year.